studied in previous videos what is AI and how it works. AI बेसिकली होता क्या है? जो AI एक मशीन होता है. AI just like a machine which works as a ह्यूमन. ओके, ह्यूमन की तरह काम करता है. जैसे कि हम लोग कोई भी अगर कंप्यूटर है, कोई भी हम लोग का नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स मटेरियल है, उसमें अगर हम लोग प्रोग्रामिंग के ज़रिए उसमें हम लोग स्किल डेवलप कर देते हैं, जो वो ह्यूमन की तरह सोचने लगे, ह्यूमन की तरह काम करने लगे, तो उसे ही हम लोग एआई बोलते हैं. ठीक है, उसे ही हम लोग आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस बोलते हैं. So in this video we will study classifications of AI, parts of AI, or we can say that different properties of AI. Okay guys, let's start. Then on the basis of capability and on the functionalities, okay guys, classification of AI can be considered as based on capabilities and based on functionalities. Okay, let's start with capabilities. Based on capabilities, there are three AI. Okay, weak AI, general AI, and super AI. Okay guys, let's understand what is weak AI. Okay, as it is shown as artificial intelligence. Okay, weak artificial intelligence, weak AI is AI that implements a limited part of memory, or as narrow AI. What does it mean? There are not a lot of memory in this weak AI. It has limited part of memory. For example, if you have 1 kg of bucket and there is only 150 gram sugar, then that is a little limited part of mind. Okay, a small, you can say that a small part of mind is weak AI. Okay, weak AI focuses on mimicking how humans perform basic actions such as remembering things. What does it mean? It means it behave like human. Okay, humans perform basic actions such as remembering things, perceiving things, and solving simple problems. The weak AI is used in solving simple problems, not tough, not hard problems, in simple problems. Okay, as opposed to a strong AI which uses technology to be able to think, learn on its own. It learn on its own means it does not depend on other. Okay, it learns on its own. Computers are able to use methods such as algorithms and prior knowledge to develop their own ways of thinking like human beings too. Basically, we can say that weak AI is the limited part of memory, limited part of mind, which is also called as narrow AI. Okay, guys, a strong artificial intelligence systems are learning how to run independently of the programmers who programmed them. Weak AI is not able to have a mind of its own, can only. What does this line say? These lines say that weak AI is a AI which depends on itself, and it can do like human beings do. जैसा ह्यूमन कर सकता है वैसा ही ये करेगा वीक AI. For example, some examples of AI are given there: self-driving cars and robot. Okay guys, self-driving cars and robots are the examples of weak AI. Let's move ahead and we will study what is general AI. Okay guys, so what is general AI? It is also called as a strong AI or deep AI. This is a concept of the machine with general intelligence that mimics human intelligence with the ability to think, understand, learn, and apply its intelligence to solve any problems as humans do in any given situation. These lines say that general AI is also called as a strong AI. It means it is not a weak AI, and it can understand, think, and speak like human. You can understand through these lines, as humans do in any given situation. Whatever the situation, whatever the reason, a human can do with these situations. This is general AI. Okay, guys, let's move ahead and understand some examples of general AI. Generalize knowledge and apply it as applicable to different circumstances. Okay, you have different circumstances and you have to do with these circumstances. Okay, guys, and the second example is ability to reason. You should have ability to reason what, why does it happen, what gonna to be happen. It means you should have ability to reason why, to think why. Okay, guys, third example is consciousness. You should have consciousness, you should alert, you should active about a given point, about a given thing. Then you will able to understand what is general AI. Okay, guys, we have studied general AI. Let's move ahead and let's have a look on what is artificial super intelligence. Okay, guys, artificial super intelligence is the hypothetical we have not seen, we have not been able to achieve it, but we know these lines said that AI, this is super means above human. Human can't approach this. This is above human. Okay, but we know what will happen if achieve it. It will surpass the human ability, and so basically it is the imaginary AI. As this word, we can think in future this type of AI. AI which not only interprets or understands human behavior and intelligence, but ASI, artificial super intelligence, is where machines will become self-aware. Machines will become self-aware means they will take their own actions and their own decisions. That is called artificial super intelligence. Okay, this means machines will surpass the human and they will think and do like they want. Okay, guys, next move is reactive AI. What does reactive AI mean? Okay, let's have a look on reactive AI. The most basic but still quite useful artificial intelligence is called reactive AI because it reacts to existing conditions, as its name suggests. Deep Blue, the supercomputer created by IBM in the 1980s that ultimately competed and won a chess match against. Okay, this AI generally speaks that this will surpass the Deep Blue, the supercomputer created by IBM in the 1980s. There in 1980s, IBM created a Deep Blue, the supercomputer that ultimately competed and won a chess. That computer won a chess match against reigning world champion Gary Kasparov. Okay, in 1980, a supercomputer is made which is called as Deep Blue, and that won. Okay, that won a match against a world champion. You can imagine how intelligent that AI is. You can imagine that win the match. Okay, that wins the match and created a history. Okay, is a notable example of reactive AI. Means reactive AI, the example of reactive AI is supercomputer which is created in 1980s. Okay, let's take examples of reactive AI. Deep Blue, the chess playing IBM supercomputer, as we discussed above. Spam filters, you see different examples of spam filters. For example, if you use email, okay, if you use email Gmail, you will have you should catch some spams or unnecessary messages on the email, that is called as spam. So the main features of reactive AI to filter all the spams, so on our email. Okay, the next example is the Netflix recommendation engine. We see everything on YouTube, on Instagram, on LinkedIn. As whatever you need, you go to search, you the Google, the YouTube will recommend you that type of things. What do you want to know, or what do you want to think, or what do you want to see? Okay guys, let's move ahead and think about limited memory AI. What does limited memory AI do? Okay, the next most sophisticated AI is called limited memory AI. Okay, what does it mean? It's characterized by the ability to absorb learning data and improve over time based on its experience, similar to the way the human's brain's neurons connected. It has a limited memory, as it named, and it will not surpass the human, and it will do in a certain memory. Okay, this is the AI that is widely used and being perfected today. We used today limited memory. And next example of AI is uh, self-aware AI, which I don't mentioned here. I didn't mention here. So what is self-aware AI? That will perform uh, by their own capability, that is called self-aware AI. Okay guys, here's the end of this lecture. We will discuss more about AI in the next videos. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe and have a look on the videos which I have recorded yet. Thank you.